see one light in the garage and the other light. And I have them on temporary wires going into the ceiling mount. And I'm going to replace it with this dual mount. Going to have a wire mounted coming in, but I'm still going to plug it into a receptacle, so it's sort of semi-permanent. This will be mounted to the ceiling or wall, but the wire will just be plugged in. I have the Honeywell dual head light fixture. It's made of like PVC ABS type material. It's only 2-wire. There's no ground because it's plastic. Although my wire coming from the plug's going to have a ground, I'm going to connect it to the horizontal metal strip. I did have to buy a receptor for this as it only has the cover. I went up to the store and bought another PVC/ABS receptor. I'll show you what that looks like. Put the little horizontal bar into this housing. It's a ABS or PVC housing. Cost about $9. I put the ground wire on here. You notice, as I mentioned, there's only 2 wires here, no ground. So I'm going to connect that to this cable, white and black, and I'm going to ground it here. Move those wires underneath here. And this rim fits right over this nicely. Nice feeling seal. Yeah, I can turn it however I want to. This is going to go, these tabs are going to go along the strut, so I sort of want it aligned evenly like that. Actually, I'm not sure. This might be a washer on this side. Let's just put it in here because it fell off the other side. That's a little... Okay. Just plug it in and test it out, and then we'll mount it. I'm going to have to get a little adapter plug to hold that cord in place in that hole. Here we go. 1, 2. Ba-dum boom. It's not too messy. I have a ceiling plug for the garage door motor down here, and I have one cord that comes over on this light when we play ping pong, and this one is going to be my motion sense security light, so I'll probably tidy that up, but there's no danger involved.